Listening test. Level, Yorkshire accent.
I swear, Ellie, if me boss asks me to stay late one more time, I'll chuck me laptop in the canal. Been stuck in that office since 7:30.
Aye, I can believe it. Mine's just as bad. Had us doing 3 folks' work since Julie left and still no sign of replacing her.
Typical, innit? They say, oh, we'll hire someone soon, but months go by and it's just us grafting harder.
Aye, and they keep saying, we're like a family here. Nah, mate, real families don't send you emails on a Sunday night.
Ain't that the truth? I tell myself I'm saving up for something better, but at this rate, I'll retire before I can afford a holiday.
Same here, but still, at least we've got chips, good company and a night off tomorrow.
True that. Sometimes that's all you need, eh?
I deleted that daft dating app last night. Can't be doing with all the beautiful messages from blokes who vanish next day.
Aye, I know the type. Swipe, chat, ghost, like clockwork. I gave up ages ago. Too much effort for folk who don't mean out.
Exactly. Feels like everyone's playing some game. No one's actually looking for something real.
Maybe folk just get scared, you know. Takes guts to want something honest.
Maybe. I just miss when you met folk naturally, like at work or a pub, not through an app that tells you to like.
Well, here we are. 2 single folk, same cafe every Sunday, moaning about dating. Bit ironic, innit?
Aye, it is. Maybe that's the universe telling us something.
To irony and second chances.
To irony indeed.
Morning, Gary. You up bright and early, love?
Aye, can't sleep in these days. Back starts creaking soon as I'll lie too long.
That's age for you. I've been up since 6. Got bread in oven and washing online. Feels good to get a head start.
You put me to shame, Linda. I've only managed to put kettle on.
Ah, well. Small steps. How's your grandkids doing?
Growing too fast. The wee one's starting school next week. Already bossing folk about. Must get it from her gran.
Aye, sounds like a family trait, that.
Tell you what, this weather's holding up better than I expected. Might even mow lawn later if it stays dry.
That'll be fest time this month. Don't overdo it. You'll be complaining about your back again tomorrow.
Too right, but I'll still pop round later for a cuppa, if you've got that cake baked.
Only if you bring biscuits this time.
Listening test. Level, Scouse accent.
Right, so this happened last week, yeah? I was walking home from my mate's flat, bit late, maybe 11:30 or so. Streets were dead quiet, fog rolling in after docks, proper eerie like. Anyway, I swear I heard footsteps behind me, softer first, then quicker, like someone was trying to catch up. I turned round, no one there. I laughed it off, thought I was just imagining it, you know. But then I passed this alley and I saw a shadow move, tall, long coat, dead still after that. Didn't wait to find out, lad. I legged it all the way home. I've never run so fast in my life. Next morning, me neighbour said some fella had been lurking round the street that night. Tell you what, I'm not walking home alone again. Not a chance.
You remember that old tunnel bar at St. Rex? Me and Kev went in last weekend. Big mistake, lad.
Oh no, what happened?
We were just messing about, you know, taking photos, when we heard this voice echo, dead quiet tunnel, and it goes, "Get out."
You're joking? Was it someone in there?
Couldn't see anyone, swear on me life. We legged it straight out, didn't even look back.
Bet you won't be going exploring again, eh?
Not a chance. Next time, I'm staying where there's Wi-Fi and daylight.
Right, so I've got to tell you this, because I'm still mortified thinking about it.
Last month, I went for this big job interview, yeah? Dead important one. I'd been out of work for a bit, so I was trying my absolute best to look proper smart. Shirt ironed, shoes shining, hair gelled to perfection. Like I was ready for a photo shoot or something. Anyway, I get to the office. Big fancy place in town. All glass doors and plants everywhere. You know the type that smells expensive. I'm nervous as anything. Hands sweating, heart racing. So I sit down in reception, practicing my answers in my head, trying to sound dead confident like I'm a people person and all that waffle. Then this woman comes out, proper posh voice, and goes, "Mr. O'Neill, we're ready for you." So I stand up, smile like I've just won the lottery, shake her hand, or I try to shake her hand. Problem is, I had my bottle of water in the same hand, so I end up splashing her wrist and dripping water all over her sleeve. She looks down then at me, and I just blurt out, "It's not sweat, I promise." Which, in hindsight, sounded so much worse. Anyway, I follow her into the room, trying to act normal. But as I sit down, me chair slides on the floor, because it's one of them with wheels, right? So I go rolling backwards like a clown in a circus, legs flailing, trying to grab the table. The panel's staring, one of them's trying not to laugh. I finally pull myself together, answer the questions, pretend like nothing's happened. But halfway through, I realised I've been calling the main guy the wrong name for 20 minutes. His name's Mr. Davis, and I've been saying Mr. Davis. No way. I only noticed when he corrected me at the end, did politely, but I could tell he was amused. So yeah, I walked out thinking, that's it. I've ruined it. No chance I'm getting that job. Next day, they emailed me, said I didn't get the position, but they admired me enthusiasm. I'll take that as a win, lad.
Oh, lad, you're going to love this one. It's probably the most embarrassing thing I've ever done in my life. So me cousin asked me to do a wee speech at her wedding, right? Just a short one, nothing too fancy. I was dead flattered, proper honoured and that. So I spent the whole week writing it, practising in front of the mirror, trying to sound all heartfelt but still funny, like one of them movie moments. Come the big day, I'm there in my new dress, hair done, glass of Prosecco in my hand, feeling dead confident. Anyway, it gets to the speeches. Everyone's looking at me and I start off great, got a few laughs, said something sweet about the bride and groom. But then, halfway through, I meant to say, you two are made for each other. Instead, I said, you two are mad at each other. The whole room burst out laughing, but I don't even notice straight away. I'm standing there, smiling like a mupper, wondering what's so funny, till the groom whispers, "We're not fighting, love." I go bright red, try to laugh it off, but it gets worse. I raise me glass for a toast and my hand's shaking because I'm nervous. I end up spilling champagne all over my cousin's wedding dress, right down the front like a golden waterfall. She's staring at me, everyone's gasping and I'm just mumbling, "I'm so sorry, hon, it's only a bit, it'll dry," like that's gonna fix it. Honestly, I wanted the ground to open up. After that, I sat down and refused to make eye contact with anyone for the rest of the night. Still, they forgave me in the end, but I've retired from public speaking forever.